Hey guys, what's up? I am Marina Sukla and you're watching your tech channel My Codeworks. Guys, today video is all about building our own Alexa instead of buying it, right? So do you ever wanted to have Alexa with you but you don't have enough money or enough resources to buy Alexa, right? But we are going to build Alexa using Python, right? So don't worry guys, we are going to end to end, we are going to starting from end to end, we are going to build Alexa, right, using Python code, and it will be very fun to learn how to build this kind of project, I can say. Or it's a very hands-on training, we can say, on using some APIs, or not APIs, using some libraries, right? So guys, today we are going to build Alexa instead of buying it. So please watch this video till end so that you can understand from starting to end how we can convert your idea to a product, right? So let's do it guys. Hey guys, now we are on the screen and I hope you are going to build the Alexa soon, right? So please watch this video till in so that you can understand and we can build your own Alexa without getting any kind of error. I know you will get some kind of error while installing the some we can say libraries like PyIDEO, you may get error, but please reach in comment box. I will try to tell you the best way to possible to install the PyIDEO and some of the libraries. If not, please reach me out through comment box. I will try to help you every in each and every I mean each and every way, right? So I will try to help in any way to you, right? If you reach with me some error, right? So this error I got while installing these things, may because I got so many comments on these things that I'm not able to install something and while working on this kind of project, right? So please feel free to reach me out. I will try to help you, right? So guys, let me show you what I have already built now, and after that we'll start building our own, right? So let me run this script that I already built, right? Python my alexa.py. Let me just run it. Okay. Hey Alexa, are you single?
I am in a relationship with you.
Wow, that's great, Alexa.
Hey, could you just say the command again?
Because I haven't worked on that part, right? If I someone say that things, it's not going to operate if I haven't said that those things, like, so as you can see here, okay, I will tell some of the command, right? It's going to take those things. I haven't.
Hey, could you just say the command again?
Yeah. So guys, Alexa, what is time
Hey,
now?
could you just say the command again?
Alexa, what is the time now?
Current time is 11:34 a.m.
Okay. Alexa, who is Elon Musk?
Elon Reed Musk, Elon, born June 28, 1971, is an
Okay.
entrepreneur and business magnate.
Okay. Alexa, who is Barack Obama?
Barack Hussein Obama 2. Listen, Barahk Hussein Obama, born August 4, 1961, is an American politician and attorney who served as the 44th President of the United States from 2009 to 2017.
Alexa, can you tell a joke?
The best thing about a Boolean is even if you are wrong, you are only off by a bit.
Alexa, send WhatsApp message.
Tell me your message that you want to send and receiver contact number.
Okay. Hey, hello, how are you? And number. So I have to tell the number. So as you can see, WhatsApp app is open now, and contact number, it's not, I haven't logged in my WhatsApp now here, but it's able to open the WhatsApp, right? Because I have given the command WhatsApp send message. So this is how it's going to work, right? So we can build our own Alexa. So we are going to close it now, right? So we are going to close it right now and we are going to build our own. So guys, this is all about that we have built now, and let's build it. soon. So first you will open Visual Studio Code, whatever studio or whatever ID you have, and we will try to work on that, right? So we will try to work on that, and we will try to code all those things whatever we have, and to make this kind of Alexa, right? So we'll start. So just open terminal itself now here. Okay, so let me make a file, new file. I will just save this file. Okay, just new, not new, save this file to desktop only, right? So I will just save this file to desktop. Alexa tutorial, sorry, tutorial.py, right? So we are going to build Alexa now. So for that we are going to import some libraries. So while installing the libraries you may get error. I already told that, you please reach me out through comment section. I will try to help you out all possible way, right? So so what are the library we need to build this kind of application, right? So we can say this kind of project. So we need speech recognition and Python text to speech library, right? Speech recognition is Google API. We can say it's a library that is built using Google speech recognition API, right? So for that we have to install some libraries that I will tell you one by one. So let me install. Okay, I will write all the library whatever needed, right? So the main library tool, the main two library are only two, that is Python text to speech as well as speech recognition. After that you can just for jokes, I already told that tell me a joke. Asked to Alexa, right, tell me a joke. For that we have different library, Py jokes, and sending WhatsApp message we have Py Hotkit, and as well as info, right? If you want to know about someone who and what, right, then we can use Wikipedia library, right? So for that kind of things we can install n number of libraries, and we can use those things to get the command, to get the answer or response from that library, and just we will respond back as Alexa is saying those things, right? So let's install what are the libraries we are going to install here, right? Pip install. Okay, I think I have to just let me make it little bit zoom in. Okay, again zoom in so that you can understand in I mean you can see it very clearly, right? It's very okay. I hope you now you can see it, right? तो आप देख सकते हैं, आई थिंक आप इजीली इसको देख सकते हैं, रिपोर्ट को देख सकते हैं, राइट? सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू इंस्टॉल, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड अबाउट. So pip install speech recognition, right? Speech recognition, right? And after that we are going to, not space should be there if you want to install more than one number of libraries at a time. So pip install speech recognition one library. Second one is Python text to speech SX3, right? Third version, right? Version 3, right? Python text to speech. And after that we have a number of libraries. I'm just going to use PyJokes, and after that Wikipedia. After that PyHotkit, and after that you can use datetime. We already have, right? So for datetime we can use already inbuilt libraries there, datetime, import datetime, right, in Python itself. So these are the library we are going to install now, and we are going to just install it, enter it, and it's going to install all those things. Could not find speech recognition, right? Okay, SPEECH recognition. Okay, so I think this library is not okay. Let me just open speech recognition pip, right? So some command, I think I'm not okay. Speech recognition in this way you have to install, sorry. So I just wrote in that way, but while importing we have to write in that way, right? So you just speech recognition, right? Yeah, recognition. Now I will just click on this, and after it's going to install all the whatever library we are going to install. It's going to install because I have already installed all those things, right? So it's already saying that I have already installed those things, already packages are there. So if it's not in your system, it's going to install for you, right? So don't worry, while installing those things you may get some error. Please read through it. Like you may get some error while installing PyIDEO, right? So for PyIDEO you can use WHL will package, right? So you can download PyIDEO, right? I have already downloaded. I think let me show you where I have downloaded. I think that is not the case. Somewhere I already downloaded the that file, right? PyIDEO, as you can see here somewhere, right? So WH file, it's a WH file. Now you can use this file to install PyIDEO, right? So I think that will be good to install. I have already installed, right? So you just go wherever you have downloaded and just click install that file itself, right? It's going to install it's going to install that file itself. So you may not get any kind of error while installing with WH file, right? So if you install PyIDEO, pip install PyIDEO, then you may get n number of error, right? If you install WH file, right, then it will be easy to install. I have installed through that way only. So if you are getting any kind of error, reach me out. I will try to help you, right? So that's all about this. And let's make it, guys, and I will try to write some easy stuff, and you can automate all those things, right? Or we can uh, talk with Alexa. So let's start, guys. So let me just make the structure of what are the things we are going to do. So we are going to import this much library, right? So speech recognition as SR, right? My SR, we can say my SR, my speech recognition. So it's import, right? Import speech recognition as my SR. So we are importing from speech recognition, and that library we are making as a we can say we are assigning as a name, right? And it will be easy to write, right? My SR, my speech recognition. After that we are going to import Python test, PyTest, right? So PyTest, so Python to speech, right? Python text to speech in your library. After that we can write PyJokes, right? JOKES, PyJokes, and import, right? Yeah, number of things we can do, right? Import PyWhatKit, right? PyWhatKit already we have installed to send message if you want to send. So these are the library we can install, and you can install Wikipedia to get someone's to get some details about someone, right? So let's Wikipedia, like Wikipedia, right? Wikipedia, and after that we will try to do. So now, guys, we have imported all the libraries that we need, right? And after that we are going to create the object for recognizer as well as Python text to speech engine. We have to initialize the engine, right? So for that we are going to, okay, before that let me make the structure of how we are going to handle. So it's a always listening process, right? Alexa is going to always listen you, right? So for that we are going to create a method called take my command, okay? Listen my command, listen my commands, listen my, we can say listen command, right? Alexa. So it's a function, list in listen command Alexa. It's a function that will be always calling from a while loop. That while, in the sense, it will be always, in fact we are going to execute these things. Let me put it at a pass now itself. So let me create a while loop. So always we are going to execute these things while true, infinite loop, and after that listen this listen command Alexa. You just run this function, always call this function, and this function is going to call voice command to take the voice as an input, right? So for that also def, we are going to create a function get def, get user command, right? So get user command, it's a simple things only. We are going to return back as a command voice, whatever we have just given voice, in the sense it will be in the sense of string only. So let's get user command, basically we'll pass these things right now for now sake. Now we will call this function, right? We will call this function always, right? So whenever I will say okay, you run Alexa listen, right? So Alexa is listen to me, right? It's like it's going to listen to me, right? So we are going to call this command, okay? Let's put as command or my voice or user input. we can say you just give it a command, right? So command is equal to get user command, right? Now just let me put it as a get user command. So leave this part. Now we are going to get the input as a voice and we will return back as a command or string, right? So for that we are going to for now we are just putting as a pass. Let me initialize those things. As I said, right, we are going to recognize, we are going to create object for recognizer. So recognizer is equal to mysr dot recognizer, right? So we have recognizer here itself. So we have created an object called my recognizer, right? Now using R we can listen the voice. For this we are going to again we are going to initialize the engine for Python text to speech, right? So engine okay, so Python text to speech dot init, initialize this engine so that we can initialize this engine so that we can read the command, voice command from user, and we can convert into speech, right? Or we can say it's basically this library is for getting command as a string and converting them as a voice, right? So for this we are going to now one more thing we are going to do here, that we are going to we have voices, right? So voices in the sense engine have voices, and for getting voices we are going to use some property like some get property methods are there for voices, and we have options, right? We if you are not going to select those things, it's going to return back as a male voice. If you are not setting, or if you are not choosing which voice we want as a response back, right? So whatever, when you are going to convert the text to speech, it should be in male voice or female voice. For that we are going to select as a female voice, right? For that what we are going to do, we are going to set the okay voices. We have a number of voices, in number in the sense it will be in true, right? So either it will be male or female, right? So voices engine dot get property, we have in get property just pass which parameter you want, right? Voice, right? Okay, voices. Now after that we are going to set engine dot set property put voice as. After that we are going to specify, so voices have it's a list, right? It will return as a list of voices, right? So first voice will be by default it's a male voice, second voice is female voice, right? So for that voices of second voice, that will be we can say male female voice, and for that of id we are going to set the voice id. So we are going to set voice as a female voice here, so we are simply doing that thing only. And after that we have initialized the object and text to speech engine also created, and we have set the voice, which kind of voice we want as a response back while asking to the Alexa. So now let's take the command. Now let's take the command from the Alexa, right? I mean from user input, right? Alexa is going to listen the command from whatever we are going to say. We will check it. So for that we are going to use try and accept, right? Exception may be arrived, right? May not, your microphone is not working well, right? So at the time we may get some error, right? So let's we can say okay, so let's use try cast, like try exception, right? So try okay, let me write the except, right? Then it will be okay. Try with microphone with we have R, right? We have okay mysr dot microphone. We have mysr functions we have, right? So let me accept lookup error, and after that print we will try to write something like if we enable to read your data, your input data is not clear, right? So we will try to say something like some message should come, right? If our microphone or not working properly, right? Or it's not able to hear properly, right? So we are going to open microphone as a source for us, as source, right? After that it should return something, right? It should return something. Okay, return something, right? Something just return. After that we'll try to write those things, right? Now it's going to return the command, but let me put at a return 0 something, right? Okay, so we are going to use the mysr dot microphone as source, right? We are going to listen, we are going to listen. Now we are going to listen that your voice, our voice, whatever we are going to say, it's going to listen, right? So for that we are going to take the voice or command, we can say. We are going to listen command voice, I can say, or data, audio, audio data, audio is equal to, my audio data is equal to, we are going to use this r dot speech recognition, not speech recognition. We have method in we are going to listen the voice, whatever we have, right? R dot listen, r dot listen the source. We are going to listen the source, right? It means like whatever we are saying, it will be considered as the audio output, I mean audio input, and it will be listening, and after listening it's going to store in audio, right? Audio variable, that will be the audio format itself, or let me say it my voice, my voice, right? It will be my voice, whatever I will saying, I will be saying to Alexa, it will be considered in my voice. After that we are going to use speech recognition, right? So speech recognition in the sense search Google, we are going to some functions are there, okay? We will try to, okay, so we are going to pass the same voice to speech recognition Google API, which is going to convert your speech into text, right? So command is equal to, we have r, right? R dot is Google, or we can say Google recognize Google, we have, right? Some this method we have, which is this method basically implements, as you can see here, performs speech recognition on audio data, and we have audio data my voice, right? And after this it's going to take the audio data as an instance. We are going to pass the audio data my voice, I will pass this my voice to this method, and after that it's going to convert that into, like, it will be using Google speech recognition API to convert that my voice to a command. Command in the sense it will be converting to string format, right? So now let's print it. Now let's print it whether we are able to get the command. Okay, let me convert the command into smaller, okay? Or okay, so okay, so command is equal to, it will be easy to understand, command is equal to command dot lower. Let me convert into lower so that there won't be any kind of issue while dealing with big I mean lower or upper cases. So let me print the command, whatever I got the command from my voice, it's going to print the same thing only, print command, okay? So let me save it, and after that it's going to return the command itself, return the command to the listen Alexa, okay? Here also we can print the command also. Okay, let me write something here also. You said, it will be in Alexa for Alexa for method, right? You said, whatever command you said is going to Alexa. Alexa is saying you said this command, right? So we are going to get in the Alexa method. Now let's run it and we will try to, okay, so let me run it. Okay, one more thing I can say that here I will just write here something so that we can understand easily whether the mic is listening to or this program is listening to us or not. So we can print, it will be easy, right? Print listening, listening, right? So when I write this kind of thing, it will be easy me to speak when should I speak, right? So after that let me run this program till now whatever we have created, and you will be able to check it out. Alexa, who are you? Alexa, who are you? So whatever, as you can see here, whatever I have said now, it's able to print the same thing, right? So now we are able to convert our voice into a text format. All right, so as you can see, whatever I'm saying, it's going to print here. Now let me close it, right? So as you can see here, whatever I said here itself, now it's let me little bit move it, right? So whatever I said, right, whatever I said here, it's able to print it, right? So Alexa listening, so whatever you can see here, whatever I have said now, it's able to print the same thing right now, so that we are able to convert our voice into text format. So Alexa is now able to listen us, and it's printing the whatever we said to Alexa, right? Now it's not the things that Alexa do right or does. Alexa is going to respond back as a voice, not as a text format, right? So for that, we are going to convert something. We are going to use a Python text to speech, right? So whatever we are saying here, we are going to make a function. We are going to make a function talk, right? So let me write def say Alexa voice. Alexa voice is basically going to take a parameter that will be a command, or not voice, command. So whatever command is going to pass here, it's going to check the command, right? And Alexa is going to say in their own voice, right? In her own voice. So now let's okay, so we have one method called in Python text to speech. We have method called say, or we can say Python text to speech dot say speak, or uh, we can say some methods are there. Sorry for this. So Alexa is going to take the command. It's going to say the same thing, and we have already initialized the engine for Python text to speech, right? So we are going to use that engine, right? Engine dot, and we have a lot of format functions are there, right? So we just say okay, say. So we are going to use just say same method is going to text to speak, as you can see here. So it's going to translate to speak the eventually, like it's going to take the test, whatever test we are going to say, it's going to say in voice format, right? So we are going to give our command, whatever command we have just told. Alexa is going to return back as a voice command also, right? So whatever command we are giving to it, it's going to say the same thing again, and run these things until it's not going to complete, or it's the voice is not complete, right? I mean, it's not going to read all the command, right? So engine again, we are going to try run and wait, right? So we have method called run and wait, run until it's not going to complete the whole test, right? To read, right? Until it's not able to complete the test, right? So till that, you just wait and run this, so that it's able to read the command whatever user said properly. And so thus these two lines of code in Alexa voice, it's going to say the things, right? So now let's check it whether it's everything clear or not. Like okay, uh, Alexa, we have Alexa voice, right? Alexa voice. Now command we are going to pass. Okay, one more thing we can do, right? If we are saying Alexa only, then it should accept the command, right? I mean, it should only read the things only when we are going to say the word Alexa inside the thing, right? In our voice, right? Or command, user command. So if we have Alexa, Alexa in command, right? If we have Alexa in command, then only we are going to read it, or we are going to perform the things, right? Then only we are going to, and we are going to remove the Alexa from the command. Command is equal to command dot replace string methods are there, right? Replace Alexa comma just empty space, right? So we have removed the Alexa from the command. Now only the command whatever I've said is going to be a user command, and we are going to return back the same command here itself, Alexa listen command Alexa, right? And after that, that command is going to be passed as Alexa voice, right? So Alexa is going to say that okay, okay, let me run it again once again, whether it's able to say in voice or not. Alexa, who are you?
Electra, who are you?
Alexa, are you able to hear me?
Are you able to hear me?
Alexa, you are so lucky.
You are so lucky.
Alexa, I think you know me very well.
I think you know me very well.
So whatever I'm saying, it's just returning back as a voice command, right? But it's not. But we are working on that, right? So whatever we, okay, let me just close it first, okay? Otherwise, it's going to same listen to me again. It's going to respond back the same whatever I'm saying, right? So as a female voice, right? If I put as a here, I will tell you the reason why I just set here the set property. Okay, let me put at a 0 here, right? And again, let me run the same thing only. Alexa, who are you?
Who are you?
So we are getting the male voice, right? If I set as a 0, then it will be the male voice. Alexa,
We are getting the male voice, right? If I set as a then it will be the male voice.
Alexa, are you okay?
Are you okay?
So as we can see here, we are whatever we are saying, it's returning back as a male voice, right? So we should keep our Alexa as a female voice only, then it will be good, right? And it will be very fun to talk. So let's put it as same whatever we have did. Now we are able to receive the data, or we are able to read the input, user input voice, and we are able to convert into string, and string that whatever command we are receiving from the user, we are able to convert into speech, right? So almost we have completed the things. Now just we it's a, set of manipulations we are going to do here for just dealing with the command and the response for the particular command, right? So as you can see here, almost we have completed everything, right? So we can say, okay, so Alexa voice command, everything is there. Now Alexa is going to perform something here. I will just put it as a comment now. So we have command, right? And we have command. Okay, so we can use if else conditions to get some command, right? So if I say, Alexa, what is tell me a joke, right? Who is Elon Musk? Who is the founder of this, and who is the PM of this? Or tell me about Narendra Modi, something whatever I will say, it's a command, right? So some keyword will be there so that Alexa can understand what you are trying to say, right? So based on that, we can operate our things, right? So let's write something that Alexa can understand and easily say. Okay, first thing I want to play a video, right? So Alexa, play YouTube video, right? So for that, what we can do, we can use PyWhatKit, right? Already imported PyWhatKit, and PyWhatKit library have a play YouTube video, right? So play on YouTube video, right? So play on YouTube. So for that, we are going to use, okay, command have if play in command, right? If play in command, sorry. So if you are saying some if you are saying something related to playing something, right, in your command, then it's going to consider as a play the same thing whatever user saying on YouTube, right? So command, we are going to play the same thing on YouTube. So if play in command, we are going to remove the play from that thing, and just we are going to get the only topic or the name of the song or name of the video, right? So we are, for that we are going to again replace the thing, right? So uh, command, we are going to use replace method, right? Command dot replace, sorry, replace play by empty string, right? And that will be the, now we will get the, or we can say song name, or we can say uh, media name, or simply I can say, okay, just put it command only, right? So don't do anything, right? So now we got the things that we are going to play. Now we have one method called it's PyWhatKit, right? PyWhatKit had method called play on YouTube, right? So PyWhatKit, I'm going to use PyWhatKit. Okay, so let me just give the command to Alexa so that your okay, so let me write a method called, not method in a sense, let me send the same data to the Alexa say, right? So Alexa say, we have Alexa voice, so it will be playing your song, playing your song on YouTube, right? So it's going to open the song on YouTube, right? And after that, what we can say, just open PyWhatKit. We have, right, PyWhatKit dot, we have a number of methods are there, right? So for that, play on YouTube, we can say one method is there, right? Please put it, and after that it's going to take the name of the song, whatever you want to say. So it's a API, right? So URL for the video only to be used, function is not working. So if the function is not able to perform, then we are simply going to paste the URL, or else we are just going to give the command, okay, just play this, only search on YouTube and play this. So after that, let me just check it. If we have these things, else we can say same thing only to Alexa voice, right? Sorry, could you please tell again? Simply I can write, if your command is not inside whatever the Alexa have, it will say again, can you tell me again the same command or some other command, right? So after that, let me run it once again, whether we are able to open the YouTube or not. For the Alexa, play Let Me
Playing
Love
your
You.
song on YouTube.
So as I already said that we don't have anything, I haven't told anything, like villain is something is there, right? But I haven't told these things. It's taken simply, okay, random video is going to be played here. Okay, again let me close it once again, and let me run it again. Alexa, play Let Me Love You.
Playing your song on YouTube.
Let's see whether it's going to play the same song or not. Wow, we are able to play the song. We are not going to do any here. Alexa is playing now. With the help of command, we are able to play the songs, right? As you can see here. So now we are able to open the play. It's Alexa is able to play songs, whatever you are saying, right? So let's now we are going to, let me close it once again, and after that we will. So one method is now we are able to complete, right? So elif, we are going to say elif, okay, elif we are going to say, if who is, if something, who or what, right? I mean, we can say simply who is something. If you are asking someone about someone, right, then we can say, okay, for that we are going to use the Wikipedia library for particular person. Search those things, and on Wikipedia, if you got something, and tell me the summary of 1 to 2 line, we can inspire the how much line Alexa is going to read about that particular person, right? So for that, if who is, who in the in command, right? If who is in command, then just specify the command is equals to, we can say, not equals to. So command, we are going to just remove these things, or we can say uh, simply we can say who is, I can say, okay, who is Elon Musk, right? For example, just take, okay. So command, and after that we are going to uh, okay, just replace these things only with the empty string only. So command dot replace, okay, replace who is, right, who is with empty string. After that, just say get the okay, we have already imported Wikipedia, right? So Wikipedia have method called summary of the particular person. You can whatever you are sending Wikipedia, right? So we are going to get the summary. Okay, we are just going to Alexa voice for the same text whatever we are sending to, okay. So Wikipedia dot summary for the particular person, right? So command, and we can say it's person, not command, person, right? So and after that we just pass as a person here, person, and some we have to specify some lines, right? So let me put it as 2 lines. Read about that person, just 2 lines, right? So let's run it and let's check whether it able to get the data from the Wikipedia and able to respond back the summary about the particular person or not, right? So let's do it, right? So let me run it once again. Alexa, who is Narendra Modi?
Narendra Damodar Modi, listen, NADR Damodar Das MOD, born September 17, 1950, is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was
So
the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi.
so as you can see here, it's able to read the data from Wikipedia, and now it's able to respond back with some summary about the particular person, right? So as you can see here, we who are like who is, if you're asking to Alexa, Alexa is going to respond back the summary about the person, right? So what if we don't get some data on Wikipedia about the particular person who for whom you are searching, right? So at that time we have to use try and catch, right? So try and catch, we can just put it inside the try and catch block, right? So just try and inside try exception, not catch, actually exception. So if we get these things right, then only we are going to else we are going to accept exception. We are going to what we can say, Alexa voice, we just return back as a sorry, I'm not able to find about this person, about this person in the sense about, simply I can say commands, like command, I won't say it's a person or whatever you are searching, right? So command plus on, sorry, on Wikipedia, right? Wikipedia, right? So this is the command that Alexa is going to respond back if the somebody, if you are not able to find something on that particular person or whatever, whoever you are asking, right, on Wikipedia, then it's going to respond back as this, right? So as like we have now, let's add 2 more functionality, like I will just paste it here. So as talk in the sense, it's a Alexa voice, and same thing here also, Alexa voice. So these things we have here, right? So for example, if someone asks Alexa, are you single? So it's going to respond back, I mean, it's a simply you, right? So something we can say, right? So sometime we can get a joke if you want to ask Alexa, tell me a joke, then it's like a joke word is there in command, then it's going to respond back. So we are using pi jokes here, right? So like that we can use n number of library, and we can make it is very, we can say it's a very production based Alexa, so that you can uh, use somewhere in your any we can say any applications to make it as a full application, web application, or we can say Android application. Like in this way we can build our own Alexa, right? So we can use a number of libraries to do the task, right? So we can automate your WhatsApp, you can send message to someone using SMS, right? Simply SMS, not WhatsApp. You can send message to someone using SMS, right? Or we can say you can call someone, if you are simply web call, you can do it, right? So like we can say, okay, joke, tell me a joke, Alexa, tell me a joke, then it's going to respond back, I mean it's going to tell a joke, right? So we have pi jokes, it's a module right inside pi jokes in library, and in that we have a method called get joke. Get joke basically is going to return back a random joke. Random joke, chunks of jokes are there inside that one. Random joke is going to tell this Alexa. Let's check it once again, and after that we can, okay, Alexa, tell a joke.
Why did the programmer quit his job? Because he didn't get a raise.
Okay, Alexa, are you single?
I am in a relationship with you.
So as you can see here, it's a let me close it again. So as you can see here, whatever I'm asking to Alexa, it's returning back as a response to that particular command, right? So you can add n number of command. I have just created this much command only, right? You can add n numbers. Like I just used play inside that command, then you just play the same thing, whatever you are asking to Alexa play on YouTube, right? It's going to use this PyWordKit library to play these things, and after that. Uh, you are just asking something to the Alexa and it is responding back. Like if you are single in responding back this thing joke, is going to take the joke from the, it's going to read the joke from the library, and after that it's going to return back the joke to you, right? After that you can send the WhatsApp message, right? So for sending WhatsApp message, in the sense we can use the same thing, right? We can use, we can use these things, and after that, so for sending message, if you want to, if WhatsApp inside your command, it is going to take the command from you, whatever, whomever you want to send the message, it's going to take, tell me your WhatsApp, tell me the message you want to send and to whom you want to send, right? It's going to read the data from the your voice command or message, and after that at last you can say that number, this number, right? So that number is going to taken as a receiver number, and it's going to send the same. As I already told that we can automate WhatsApp message just using 2 lines of code, right? We can simply use, let me think I haven't used WhatsApp here, right? So that's why I would just not, I will provide the code in we can say in GitHub link. You just get the code, whole code, how we can send the message. Let me show you. Already shown to you that how we can send the message to WhatsApp, right? So like that we can say, right? After that we can say, we can add something more, right? So just a second. We can send to the if you want to send message to someone, right, using just 2 lines of code that I already told you, right? We can automate. So let me write the code for once. I just paste the code here itself for that. So as you can see here, I have to get the so you can see if WhatsApp inside that command, right? So like if you're simply, we can say, you can just give the command, or we can say as you can see here, if I WhatsApp inside that command, then it's going to automate, or it's going to process the sending message to WhatsApp, right? So basically it's going to say, Alexa voice, right? Alexa voice, tell me your message that you want to send, and receiver contact number, right? It will say, right, that only. And again we are going to initiate that my SR, right? So I will just put as my SR microphone as this one source, right? So use default microphone to get the message from you, right? And after listening your message, you can say your message, right? And after that we are just reading the message from you, whatever you are going to say to the Alexa, you just take this as a message, and in after that it's going to recognize the word from same thing we are doing, same code whatever we have tried here, same code we are here again we wrote here for this WhatsApp command, right? So again we are going to convert the same thing, and this is the line where we are going to respond back all those things, right? If there is a problem with microphone, it will say could not understand the audio, right? So as you can see here, get number is there, right? We have command, in that command we have message as well as contact number of the receiver. We can get the command of this, like we can get the number, right? We can pass the same command to the person, right? So we can get the same for this, right? And we can get the number, we can extract the number from the message as well as the actual message, that whatever message you have told. For that we can implement our own method, right? So just we can say, we can get here, we can get number, right? Get number, def get number command will be there, and after that we are going to get the only is digit function is there in string, right? My number, my number, so my num is equal to, it's a string, simple string. And for that, for I in command, if I is digit, if I is digit, right? So if it's a digit, then just convert, or we can make, just add in my num and I, right? So return back as a my num. We can get the number from here, and same way we can get the message here, right? Def get message, so command will be there. We will pass the command to this method, and after that we will my message, my msg, right? Msg Okay, if, or we can say simply not my message, we can just put the string. Okay, so what I can do right now, for in for I in command, right? We can put as a command. Okay, command is equal to command dot replace. We can replace, or we can say simply, if it's not a digit, right, we can simply store in a new message in this way, right? We can put it here as not digit, right? Then we can store in that another message, or we can say simply, if it's a digit, we just put at string, simple string, right? You just replace it. After that, return back command. Okay, so we are going to return back the command, like that we can do it. And after that we can just get message. Here we can put as a message get msg, and we are passing the command, or we can say simply here print the same thing only, get number. We can say just pass it here and not here itself, or we can say to whom we want to send. We have PyWhatKit have method called send WhatsApp message instantly, right? So that number is equal to this method. Again, message is equal to this method, right? So we have this two parameter, and we are storing in a variable, and we will pass the same thing, number as well as message, right? Which message you want to send. Let's me print it, whether we are able to. It may sometime it may print some other data, right? If it's not able to read it properly, right? So like a number plus, after that message, right? So let me try it again once. Let me make it clear. Okay, and after that we will try to say the same thing. Alexa send WhatsApp message to someone, right? So Alexa send WhatsApp message.
Tell me your message that you want to send and receiver contact number.
Hey friend, how are you? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Something is okay, country code is missing, right? Something is saying, okay, so we have to specify the country code. Okay, again let me try once again. Alexa send WhatsApp message.
Tell me your message that you want to send and receiver contact number.
Hey bro, how are you? +9172345331. Something, right? Okay, country code missing from phone number. Something is missing, right? So we are not able to say the same thing properly, right? Okay, we are just going to something is here, right? Okay, let me try it once again. Okay, so let me write once again here, same thing only I'm going to say. Okay, tell me how are you, right? And phone number will be +91. Phone number will be +91 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, right? So I'm just going to tell the same thing only. So let me run it once again, and after that we'll try to. Alexa send WhatsApp message.
Tell me your message that you want to send and receiver contact number.
Tell me how are you, +91 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Something is missing here, I think so, and now it's a okay. So we are not able to specify the command here, country code something. Okay, if I simply say, okay, instead of sending the same thing, it's like simply we can specify the number here itself, or we can say, if you want to say number, we can simply specify the number, or we can say +91 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like and after you just pass it, message will be message will be extracted from your we can say uh, from whatever you are going to say to whatever your data is whatever the Alexa is listening to you, right? So we can send it simply here, right? So you are not going to extract from the same thing only. We can just apply some operations, right? We can just apply some operations. We can extract the number from the message itself only, right? So it's not able to read it properly, but anyway, let's try once again. Alexa, send WhatsApp message.
Tell me your message that you want to send and receiver contact number.
Hey bro, how are you? As you can see here, already specified, right? As I haven't logged in my WhatsApp web here, right? Because like if I already log in, then it is going to send the message to the particular person instantly, right? So now we can automate it, right? We don't have to wait, and we can automate it using Alexa. So this is all about today. This is all about today building our own Alexa instead of buying Alexa, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video and you have worked well and to find to build this kind of things. So please guys, if you really like, please hit like button, and if you have doubt, if you have any kind of issue while doing these things, please reach me throughout comment section. I will try to help you. I will try to give my best to help you, right? As well as please share with your friends whoever want to learn how to build Alexa kind of application using Python. So as you can see here, we have built from scratch everything, right? So we have imported the libraries, and after that we have initialized the things, and after we have just created the functions to take the input to speech, to convert the text to speech, and as well as convert speech to text and all those things. And now we are our Alexa is able to communicate with us, right? So we can add n number of operations here. It's depend on you. We can make it one n number of things you can add here, right? So this is the basic things that you can say to Alexa, right? So I have shown to you very clear and crisp manner. If you have any doubt, please hit me out. As well as if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it. I will try to bring this kind of tutorial for you guys. As click on bell icon so that you can never miss an update from us. Thank you guys. We'll meet in next video with next project or application or tutorial. Till that, bye bye.